Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of e-commerce and exploring how to create a successful online business. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or looking to expand your existing business into the digital realm, this video will provide you with the essential insights and strategies to thrive in the competitive e-commerce landscape.
Section 1: The e-commerce revolution.
In recent years, e-commerce has experienced a revolution, transforming the way we shop and do business. The convenience and accessibility of online shopping have captured the attention of consumers worldwide, presenting a wealth of opportunities for aspiring entrepreneurs. But what does it take to build a successful e-commerce business? Let's explore the key steps and strategies to set you on the path to e-commerce success.
Section 2: Niche selection and market research.
The first crucial step in creating a successful e-commerce business is selecting the right niche and conducting thorough market research. Choosing a niche that aligns with your passion and has a market demand is the foundation of your business. Utilize keyword research tools, analyze competitors, and identify emerging trends to understand the market landscape and consumer behavior. This research will help you refine your product offerings and target the right audience.
Section 3: Building your e-commerce website.
Your e-commerce website is the face of your business, and creating a seamless and user-friendly online shopping experience is paramount. Focus on intuitive navigation, attractive design, and fast loading speeds. Optimize your website for mobile devices to cater to the growing number of mobile shoppers. And don't forget to incorporate secure payment gateways and provide transparent shipping and return policies to build trust with your customers.
Section 4: Sourcing and managing products.
One of the critical aspects of running an e-commerce business is sourcing and managing your products. Finding reliable suppliers, ensuring product quality, and managing inventory efficiently is vital for success. Consider various sourcing options, such as drop shipping, wholesaling, or manufacturing your products. Implement inventory management systems to track stock levels, streamline fulfillment, and prevent stockouts or overstocking.
Section 5: Marketing and promotion.
Now that your e-commerce website is up and running, it's time to focus on marketing and promotion to drive traffic and generate sales. Develop a comprehensive digital marketing strategy, including search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, content marketing, and paid advertising. Engage with your audience through compelling content, influencer collaborations, and email marketing campaigns to build brand awareness and customer loyalty.
Section 6: Customer experience and retention.
In the world of e-commerce, providing an exceptional customer experience is paramount for success. Happy customers not only become repeat buyers but also become brand advocates, spreading positive word of mouth. Invest in customer service channels such as live chat, email support, and social media engagement. Personalize the shopping experience, offer fast and reliable shipping, and provide hassle-free returns. Encourage customer reviews and testimonials to build social proof and credibility.
Section 7: Scaling your e-commerce business.
As your e-commerce business grows, it's important to have strategies in place for scalability and expansion. Consider strategic partnerships, collaborations, or even expanding your product line to reach new markets. Leverage data analytics to identify growth opportunities, optimize your marketing campaigns, and refine your business strategies.
Section 8: Analytics and optimization.
Data is a powerful tool in the e-commerce world. By tracking and analyzing website analytics, customer behavior, and sales data, you can gain valuable insights to optimize your business performance. Implement A/B testing to optimize your website's design, layout, and product positioning. Continuously monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, such as conversion rates, average order value, and customer acquisition costs to identify areas for improvement and implement data-driven optimizations.
Section 9: Adapting to e-commerce trends.
The e-commerce landscape is ever evolving, and it's essential to stay up to date with the latest trends and innovations. Stay informed about advancements in technology, such as artificial intelligence, AI, augmented reality, AR, and voice search, and assess how these trends can enhance your customer experience and differentiate your business from competitors.
Section 10. Conclusion and key takeaways.
Congratulations! You now have a solid understanding of the steps and strategies involved in creating a successful e-commerce business. Remember to choose the right niche, build a user-friendly website, source quality products, implement effective marketing strategies, prioritize customer experience, analyze data, and adapt to emerging trends.
Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey to create a successful e-commerce business. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and practical tips to kickstart your online venture. If you found this content helpful, please like and share it with others who may benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more business-related videos. Until next time, happy e-commerce entrepreneurship.